welcome back to my channel. So today we have a fun little review from INH hair. Now I have worked with them before and I love their products. Like, I'm obsessed. I have tried their hot tools, their ponies, their buns. Today I actually can't remember what we're trying. I know there's a pony in there and I think it's an ombre one and I don't have one of those yet, so I'm curious to see what they look like in person. So here they are. So I've got two things to try for you. I'm pretty sure they're both ponies if my memory serves me correctly, and one is an ombre one. So let's get into these. Alright, so first up we have, ooh, the SHAYLA. Right, this is one of the ponies that I wanted to try. I'm super excited. I don't have the SHAYLA yet. I'm pretty sure I have like the MIYA, the Jordan, the Molly. I have a bunch of other ones. I have a whole bin. If you've seen my previous videos, you know that I have a whole bin. And I need scissors. Where did I put my scissors? So with all INH ponies, they come in this super cute zipper bag as well. And then this part I think is for like accessories, which is really nice. I use it to store the bobby pins that they come with. But here is the SHAYLA in Ash Blonde, which is the color that I normally go. It's pretty dang. I might be able to go a color darker actually. This was the color that I always picked when I dyed my hair back to the regular color. But if you're nervous about matching your hair, their customer service is absolutely amazing and they will help you match like that's like, girl. Anyways, reach out to them if you're nervous about what color because they are literally the best. They're so amazing. My biggest thing right now is obviously, y'all can tell I got a haircut. How is she gonna work with my haircut? I'm like, this is so cute though. It's like that natural curl or the natural waves. This is what I wished my hair would be like. All my friends who have like wavy hair are like, trust me, you don't want it. And I'm like, my hair is literally so flat and holds no curl. I wish my hair was like that. Also, what do you guys think? I'm thinking about getting a perm. Do you think I'm crazy? Should I do it? I don't want like a noodle curl. Like my hair looks like ramen noodles perm, just like something like this I feel like would be really pretty. I don't know. What do you think? Anyways, before I get putting this in, we need to do my hair up. So I have my little elastics here that I get from like the dollar store. But as you guys can tell, this is my hair before, so I want to do a high pony, but I'm not sure how this is gonna work with my short hair. Okay, hold on. We're gonna try it. Also, because my hair is not long, I think a bunch of it's gonna fall on the back. I do want my little bang bits though, kinda out front. Okay, I'm gonna go with that and hopefully it doesn't look awful. Oh my goodness. That's not bad. I mean, like, obviously a bunch of my hair fell in the back, so we're gonna have to pin that up. Unless the pony covers it. It'll probably cover it. Okay, so we did a little bit of readjusting, and it is what it is. I'm like, this is gonna be quite the before and after, because I'm like, look at the profile. Like, this will not go up. Like, she won't go, and then, like, my little pony, ooh. She's super cute, but we're gonna make her, like, bougie. So let's attach the SHAYLA. I'm pretty sure I got that right, right? It's the SHAYLA. That's what I've been talking about. Yeah. Let's attach the SHAYLA. So they come with the little claws here so that you can get them in nice and secure. They also come with the, what is it? Velcro that you wrap around, and then this little guy here. Okay. We figured it out. I just needed a stronger elastic because the little plastic ones were just not holding my hair in place, but I'm like, I feel so bougie right now. Like, can we talk about this? Like, she's so cute. Now, you can kind of see the hair that didn't go up in the back, and I guess theoretically I could have pinned that up before I put the pony in, but it doesn't bother me a lot, so I'm like, but look at this side profile, like, I feel so cute right now. I literally want my hair to be like this. Why is this so cute? I am obsessed. Oh my gosh, Shayla might be my new favorite pony. This is so cute. Like, and like, we can bring her in front. Imagine if my hair actually had this amount of volume though. Like, we would be unstoppable. So, dee. All right, let's try the next one. All right, so the next one here should be an ombre Brit, I believe, or an ombre MIYA. Ooh. It's the MIYA, so it's the ash brown with sandy blonde. Now, I'm not either of those colors, but I thought ash brown, I'm like, my hair is kind of dark, and the ash blonde is actually a little on the light side, so we were gonna test this one, and of course it comes in its cute little bag. I'm very excited. All nice and sealed up for us. This is so cute. So it's like their little booklet of all their ponies and stuff and all their little informations. This is so cute. Cool stuff. All right, here we go. Ooh, this one even comes with an elastic. That's good because I'm like, your girl was struggling to find an elastic, but we did. So here's the elastic and the pins it comes with, or bobby pins. And here she is. Ooh, ooh. I'm like, do you think? Might be a little on the darker side. I'm like literally like in the middle. I think I'll stick with ash blonde. I really want them to start doing like ombre ponies with like the lighter haired babes. Like it looks so good. Like obviously dark roots look so good with lighter stuff, but I'm like, you know, it's like in betweens and like blonde babes, like doesn't like, it looks so weird, but I'm like, I feel like they could do it. They could make it look cute for us lighter haired babes to beat. This is just, I'm like, I'm just enjoying this. Like, let's see. Is that gonna be too obvious? It might be a little bit, but we are going to roll with it. So, same kind of concept. This is the MIYA in shade ash brown to honey blonde. I used to dye my hair this color all the time. For those who have been on this channel, you know that when I was dyeing my hair all the time. My hair is healthy now. So what do I want to do? I want to get a perm. Dee-dee. It has got, again, the little teeth marks right here. We've got the Velcro. So we're gonna put this one in, but I guess we first have to take the Shayla out. Now that I have a proper elastic in, as you guys can see, we can stick this in properly this time, probably without having to go to the bathroom. So, same thing. I like to do it like this. Other girls do it with their head up. This is just my preferred method. So I like to push it into the base with a stronger elastic. This works so much better. And then we go around, and then we go like this, and we just fix the top part here, and we go around. Ooh, okay. Okay. And then same thing, I just probably need one bobby pin to just kind of secure that in spot. I don't know if you can see the difference of the browns. I'll have to go check a mirror for that, but like, Ariana Grande, huh? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm living for this. I'm like, you can like kind of see my hair underneath. So this is definitely one that I would pin up properly, but like, this is so cute, and I feel like I can like, should I just dye my hair blonde again? Dye it blonde and get a perm? These are so freaking cute. I love their ponies so much. INH hair, like, no one can beat you guys. These are so freaking cute. I love them so much. I mean, like, the length is gorgeous. It's like, I don't know, it's about titty length for me, and they're so light. Their ponies are so light. I think the MIYA is a little bit heavier than the Shayla, and then I think, not that I have it, I'm like promoting all their ponies right now. The Jordan is probably my favorite go-to. It's like midi length, it's so light, I forget it's there all the time, but like, this is so cute. I like the MIYA because it has a little bit of like oomph, whereas I feel like, what's the other one? The Brit, she's a heavy girl, but she looks so fine, like, but but this is so cute. I want all the ombre ponies. I'm like, do they make, I'm like, yeah, I guess they would make them like for every shade. So like ash brown to like, I don't know, blue or something. I'm ready to get all of them and just have matching bottom parts for different outfits. So that is the tea. I love these ponies. They are amazing. Get yourself some. Alright guys, well that is it for this video. Of course, both the links will be in the description below, and thank you INH Hair for letting me test these for you guys. I love them so much and I cannot wait to style both the MIYA and the SHAYLA. If you guys want to get yourself some INH amazing goodies, some ponies, hot tools, the world is your oyster for looking amazing. You can use code CheekySparkles for 15% off your order. But that is all I have for you guys this time, and I love you a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!